Hello, Ajay.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, guys, can you talk with me? All the people here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
where we stopped in the last discussion,
Optional parameter.
where functions are completed now.
Function completed.
Functions completed.
If functions topic is completed, fine. Now,
Yes, sir. Going to the TypeScript.
guys, next one. See the another concept. File, open folder. File, open folder. What is our folder?
JS6.
6 a.m.
JS6am. This is our folder now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
JS6am. This is our folder. Fine. JS6am. Yeah. Guys, can you tell me how to create a function one? Anyone?
Function.
How to create the function one?
Function.
We need to create a function one. Function
one.
function one. Function one. Yes. Next one. Function one contains some arguments, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Fine. Can I say, is it a function one definition?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
this is the
definition.
function one definition. Next one. Function two. Function two. Yes. Totally, how many functions we have?
Two
Two
functions.
functions. Is it a function one definition?
Yes, sir.
Is it a function two definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Call the function two. Shabir, call the function two.
Function 2.
While calling call the function one. While calling the function one, function one contain argument one. Okay, na? While calling the function one, I want to supply function two definition. Which function we are calling here?
Function 1 is calling.
One.
While calling the function one, what you supplied?
Function two definition.
Clearly.
Function two definition.
Function two definition. So function two, is it a definition?
Yes.
This is a definition. This is a definition stored into where?
Function
Argument.
Argument one. Whatever the argument one is there. For the argument one, function two definition stored. Yes or not? So
Yes,
what is argument one now? What is argument
Function
one
two
now?
definition.
Argument one is function two
definition.
function two definition. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
How to execute function two? I want to execute function two. How to execute? Argument one of now.
Yes, argument one of.
Argument one of. Then we can execute function two. Guys, can I repeat the flow once again? Whatever I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat it once again? Let me repeat it once again. Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Mahesh, try to say this one. Mahesh, how to create the two functions? How to create the two functions? Can you help me how to create the two functions?
Yes, sir.
Function.
We need to create the two functions. Function one. Here itself. How many arguments are available? Argument one. How many arguments are available? Argument one. Nagababu respond. Argument one is there. Next one. Nagababu, create the function two. Create the function two. Function. Which function? Function two. Function two. Function two here. Next one. See this one here. Here itself we have the another function. Which function? Function 3. Function 3. Here itself we have another function. Guys, here itself argument 1 comma argument 2. How many arguments we have?
Two
Two arguments. We have the two arguments. Argument 1 comma argument 2 we have here. Yes. Sandeep, here how many function definitions are available?
Three functions.
Three
Function
functions.
1,
Function
function 2,
2,
function
function
3.
3.
Yeah. Nagababu, call the function 1. Nagababu, call the function 1.
Function 1
1.
of.
Function 1.
Call the function 1.
Function
Here
1
itself,
of.
here itself, we need to call the function 1. Let me call the function 1. Yes. Function 1 accepting how many parameters?
2 parameters.
Parameters. 2 parameters. Function 1. Function 2. What is this function 2?
Function 2
Function 2
definition.
definition.
Function 2 definition. Here itself, this one we can call function 2 definition. Next one, say this one. Here itself, function 3. What do you call?
Function 3 definition.
Function 3
Function 3
definition.
definition. Function 3 definition. So now you people need to tell what is argument 1 now.
Function 2.
Function 2 definition.
Function 2 definition.
Definition.
Yes or not? What is argument 2? What is
Function 3
argument 2?
definition.
Function function 3 definition. But how to execute it? I want to execute function 2.
Argument 1 of.
Yeah.
Argument
How to
2
Argument
execute?
1 of.
Argument 1
1
of.
of.
Next one, how to execute function 3?
Argument 2
Argument
of.
3
2 dot.
of. That's it. Guys, whatever you told me
Argument
up to,
2.
guys, whatever you told me up to now, this one we can call callback concept. You
Yes.
told something to me now. This one we can call callback concept. What is callback? Passing one function to another function. Guys, passing one function to another function. Say this one. What is callback? Now theoretically you need to tell. Guys, Nagababu, is it a definition?
Yes.
Nagababu, is it a definition?
Yes, sir.
Respond. Yes, sir. This definition stored into where?
Argument 1.
Argument 1.
Is it a definition? Yes.
Argument
This definition stored into where? Argument 2.
2.
Passing one function definition to another function argument. Passing one function definition to another function argument. Technically we can call callback. Technically what do you call? Technically we can call callback. Guys, respond once again. What is callback? What is callback? Passing
Passing
function
function
definition to
definition to
one function
another
definition
function
to
argument.
another function
Argument.
as argument. Then that concept we can call callback concept.
Callback.
Guys, here itself. Now try to say this one here itself. Here itself, guys. Can I create JS HTML file as our wish na? Anything we can
Yes,
create
sir.
anything, not an issue.
Yes.
Guys, can I go for callbacks.html?
Yes.
Can I go for callbacks.html? Yes. We should be in a position. We need to go to the callbacks.html file. Let me go for the callbacks.html file. Fine. Guys, under the callbacks.html,
Theoretical point.
is it a HTML file?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Inside the HTML file, how to write the JavaScript? How to write the JavaScript? With the help of which
Script tag.
Function 1. Function 1. How many arguments? Argument 1.
2 argument.
Argument 1. Next one. Here itself. Function 2. Function 2. What it is returning? Return. Welcome to callbacks. Return. Welcome to what? Return. Welcome to callbacks.
Callback.
Nagababu, call the function 1. Nagababu, can you call the function 1?
Function 1. Function 1 of.
Function 1. Function 1 of. Listen. Function 1 of what you wanted to supply. Function 1
2
of
definition.
what you wanted to supply. You need to supply the function 2 definition.
Yes, sir.
You need to supply the function 2 definition. See this one here. Here itself, we need to supply what you wanted to supply. Function 2.
Function 2 only.
So for the function 1, we supplied function 2 definition. Is it right or not? So
Yes.
yeah, Praveen, I think this definition stored into where? Praveen,
Argument 1.
this definition stored into argument 1. How to execute function 2? How to
Argument
execute?
Argument 1 of.
Respond. You need to respond.
Console.log
Log of argument.
Argument
No,
1 of.
argument. No, argument 1 means
Only argument 1.
What is
Function two.
argument 1?
Function two.
Clearly not function 2. Function 2
Definition.
definition. Yes, guys. Are we getting the
Yes.
function 2 definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Now we got the function 2 definition. Shravan, I don't need function 2 definition. I need function 2 output. How can I get?
Argument one of.
Argument 1 of.
One of.
1 of.
Shravan, what is the line number 3?
Line
Function
number
2 definition.
Function
No, what is the argument 3?
Function two definition.
Function.
function to definition.
Function 2 definition. Here itself, this one we can call function 2 definition. What is the line number? What is the line number 4?
Function to output.
Output.
Function to
display.
output. Fine. Yeah. Check this one here. Now we need to check. Boys, is it a function definition?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Is it a
Yes,
function
sir.
output?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Boys,
Exactly.
if you are feeling comfortable, can you go for the example 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next example.
Boys, how to create the function 1?
Function.
Function.
How to
Function
create
1.
the function 1? Function. Can I take the script tag here?
Yes.
What are the
Script
script
tag.
tag? Yes.
Function.
Function
Which
one.
function? Function 1. Function. Here itself, we have the function 1 here. Function 1 we need to specify. Next one.
Hmm.
See this one here. Here itself, how many arguments you wanted to specify? Argument 1 comma,
Argument.
argument 2
Argument
comma, argument 3.
Argument 3.
Argument 1 comma, argument 2 comma, argument 3. Fine. Mahesh, you see this one? Mahesh, can I call the function 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mahesh, can I call the function 1?
Sure,
Yes,
no,
we
one.
can. How many arguments we need to supply?
Three arguments.
3 arguments.
Arguments.
Function 2.
Function 2.
Yes or
Okay.
not? Directly here? Directly.
Yes,
Pass.
yes.
Directly.
Yes, sir.
Directly.
Function 2. Fine. Next one. Function 3. Directly.
Yes.
Directly.
Yes, yes.
Next one.
Yes,
See
sir.
this
This
one
is
here.
directly.
Function 4. Function 4. See this one here. Function 4 we need to take. Yes or not? Go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Function clearly go ahead, sir. Number say wrong answers clear. Just to take some time. What do you call?
Function two definition.
Exactly. What do you call?
Function
Function
three
3
definition.
definition.
What do you call?
Function four
Function four
definition.
Four definition.
Listen, guys, sir. Don't tell the wrong answer. What do you call?
Function
one.
one.
Clearly.
Calling function.
Calling.
Function 1 calling. Go ahead,
Calling.
explain 1 second. Can explain 1 second. What do you call?
Function.
Function one
one calling.
What do you call?
Function
Function
two
two
definition.
definition.
What do you call?
Function
Function
three
3
definition.
definition.
What do you call?
Function four definition.
Definition.
Is it a function 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead, sir. Return hello 1. Return hello 1. Next one, go ahead, sir. Return what you wanted to return. Return
Hello
hello 2. Next one. See this one again. Return what you wanted to return.
Hello.
Return return hello 1. Return hello 2. Next one is the return hello 3. Return hello 1. Return hello 2. Next one is the return hello 3. Here now we are getting the hello 1. Return hello 1. Return hello 2. Return hello 3. Guys, internal what happened here? Internal you people need to tell. Is it a function to definition?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be stored into where?
Argument one.
Argument 1 here. Next one, guys, one more point. And one more point is the guys. Is it a function 3 definition?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it a function 3 definition? Yes, sir. Store it into where?
Argument two.
Argument 2. Guys, is it a function 3 definition?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Store it into where?
Argument three.
Argument 3.
Yeah. Function 2 definition store it into argument 1. Function 3 definition store it into argument 2. Function 4 definition store it into argument 3.
Argument
Yes or
3.
not? Yes or not? So how to execute
Yes.
those functions? I want to execute
Console
those
dot
functions.
log.
How to execute
Console dot log of
Argument one
log
of.
of
argument 1, argument
Boys,
2,
argument 1 is definition.
Yes.
Argument 1 of answer is hello 1.
Hello one.
Hello 1. Next one,
Yes.
boys. Argument
Argument
2
two
of
Hello two.
answer is the what is the
Function
answer?
output, yes.
Answer is the hello 2. Now we will get the answer. See this one here. Now we are getting the answer. The answer is the hello 2 is the answer here. Yes or not? Now
Yes.
we will get the answer.
Yes, sir.
here.
Yes.
The answer is the hello 2 is the answer here. Yes or not? Next one. See this one here. One more point. One more point is the Argument 3.
3 of.
Argument 3 of. Argument 3 of. What is the
Hello
answer we are
3.
getting?
Hello 3.
What is the answer we are getting? Now we will get the answer. The answer is the hello 3 is the answer. Yes or not?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now see this one here. Now the answer is the what is the answer we are getting here? Hello 3 is the answer. Yes or not? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now guys, let me go for the one more point here. One more point is the guys. Can I execute it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will get the answer. The answer is the hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Yes, this is the answer we are getting. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Now we got the answer again. So this is the answer we are getting again. Yes, guys. Can I go for the another example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let me go further. Guys, are you feeling comfortable regarding this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All good.
Yes, guys. Can I go for one more? Can I increase the complexity slowly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me increase
Why
the
not?
complexity. Guys, can I create the script tag?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I create the script tag? Yes. Guys, can I create the function 1?
Yes.
Can I create the function 1? Yes. We should be in a position we need to create the function 1. Can I pass the argument 1 here? Vinita, can I pass the argument 1 here? Yes. We should be in a position we need to pass the argument 1. Yeah. Sandeep, call the function 1. Sandeep, how to call the function 1?
Function 1 of.
Function 1 of.
Off.
Sandeep, pass the function 2.
Function
Function 2.
Once again, Ken.
Function 2.
Function 2 of.
Function 2 off.
Yes. Internal what happened? Internal what happened?
Function
tell
2
internally what
store
happened?
argument 1.
Function 2. This is the function 2 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Function 2
Function
definition
2
stored in the argument.
definition stored into argument 1.
Argument 1.
Function 2. This is the function 2. Function
Yes,
2
sir. Exactly.
definition stored into
Argument
argument 1.
1.
Function 2 definition stored into argument 1. Go slowly here. Prashant, it contain one more argument 1. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
argument 1 related to which fellow?
Function
Function
1.
Function 1.
This argument 1 related to which fellow?
Function 2.
Function 2. Both are different now.
Yes.
Different, sir.
The owner for this argument 1 is
Function
function
1.
Function 1.
the owner for this argument 1 is function 2.
Function 2.
Yeah. Sandeep, see this one. This a function definition stored into where?
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Sandeep, execute this function. Execute. How you can execute?
Console.
How, okay, fine. Leave the console dot laga. How to execute? Argument 1
Argument 1.
Off.
Argument 1.
Off.
Which function will execute?
Function 2.
Function
2 will execute.
Function 2.
But
Yes.
see this one. Identify the problem. To execute function 2, you need to supply what?
Argument 1.
Argument 1.
Argument 1. So what is argument 1?
Hello.
Hello 1. This hello 1 stored into where?
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Function 2.
na.
Argument 1.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes,
na.
sir.
Okay, fine. Little slowly cinema will start up. Fine. Guys, how to create the function 1? Function
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 1. Function 1. Guys, argument 1.
Yes.
Argument 1. Now we have the argument 1 here.
Yes.
Argument 1. Next one. Shankar, call the function 1. Function 1.
Function 1 of
Shankar, how many arguments you wanted to supply?
one
One,
argument.
supply. Shankar, supply. Function
2.
function 2.
Function 2 of
Nagababu, are you comfortable up to now? Nagababu, yes. Function 2.
Yes, sir.
This function 2 definition stored into where?
Argument 2.
This
Argument 1.
function 2 contain one more argument. Which argument?
Okay.
Argument
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Varalakshmi, say this one again. This function 2 definition stored into
Argument 1.
argument 1. How to execute? How to execute?
Argument 1 of.
Argument
With
1.
one
Argument
argument.
But what is the problem?
We need to supply
Argument 1.
Supply argument.
Yeah.
Argument 1.
Yes.
How to supply argument 1? Hello 1.
Hello.
Hello 2.
Hello 1. This hello 1
Yes.
stored into where?
Argument 1.
Function 2.
2
Argument 1.
argument 1.
Argument 1. Yeah. Nagababu, see this one again. Sandeep, see this one again. Is it a function 2 definition
Yes.
Yes, sir.
stored into
Argument
one.
function
Argument
1
one.
argument 1.
Argument 1. Okay, na?
Yes.
Fine, next one. Is it a hello one
Yes.
Yes.
stored into?
Function to
Function
argument.
to argument
Function to
one.
argument one.
Okay, na? Can you please tell the clarity here? What is this argument 1?
Function to
Function one argument.
1 argument 1.
Function to definition.
definition.
Yes, function.
What is this argument 1?
Hello one.
Hello 1.
Hello.
Hello one.
Hello 1. Guys, yeah, hello 1. Now say this one can. This hello 1 should store here na. To
Yes.
store here,
Yes.
simply, it's only one point. Simply, you need to place a
Return.
return statement. Fine. Can I print argument 1?
Yes.
Can I print argument 1? Console dot log of argument 1.
Argument one.
Console dot log of what you wanted to supply. We need to supply the argument 1. Fine. Boys, can I execute it?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the output you are expecting?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, one.
Boys, can I explain the same example once again?
Yes, sir.
Same example. Can I explain the same example once again? Yes. Let me explain the same example once again. Here itself, guys. Guys, can I take the script tag?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me take the script tag. Here itself, we need to take the script tag. Let me take the script tag. After taking the script tag, and here itself, try to say this one. Here itself, function, function, which function, which function, the function is the function 1. Here itself, we need to pass the, and here itself, we need to pass the function 1. Here itself, we need to pass the, what you wanted to pass, we need to supply the function 1. Here itself, whatever the function 1 is there, that function 1 we need to supply here. Fine. For the function 1, how many arguments you wanted to supply? Argument 1 comma, argument 2 comma, argument 3, argument 1 comma, argument 2 comma, argument 3. Totally how many arguments we need to supply?
3 argument.
Next we need to supply argument 1 comma, argument 2 comma, next one is the argument 3. Nearly 3 arguments we need to supply. Guys, can I call the function 1?
Yes, sir. Function 1.
Let me call the function 1. Function 1.
Function 1.
How many arguments we need to supply?
3 argument.
Arguments. Function, function,
Two.
function, function 2, function 2, comma, function, function,
Three.
function 3,
Function 3.
function 3. Next one, function,
Function four.
function 4, function 4. Now say this one again. Here itself, listen here, guys. Function 2, function 3, function 2, next one function 3, function 4, or something we need to pass. We should be in a position, we need to pass that information. Function 1, function 2, next one is the function 3, something we need to pass. Guys, is it a function 2 definition?
Yes, sir.
Is it a function 2 definition? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Function
sir.
2 definition stored into where?
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Guys, is it a function 3 definition?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Stored into where?
Argument
2.
Shankar, that is related to TypeScript. Shankar, your question is, can we make a type safe argument 1? If you need the type safe care, go for the TypeScript.
Script.
Yeah, that type safe facility not available in the JavaScript. Then the Microsoft company introduced the TypeScript. Fine. Next one, guys, one more point. This is the function 3 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Function 3 definition stored into where?
Argument 2.
Guys, is it a function 3?
Function
Is
4.
it a function 3?
Sir, 4, sir.
Function 4. This function 4 definition stored into where?
Argument 3.
Argument 3. It is stored into argument 3. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now guys, say this one. Coming to the function 2, argument 1 available. Coming to the function 3. Coming to the function 3, argument 1 available. Coming to the function 4, argument 1 available here. Which one is available? Argument 1. Argument 1 available here. Guys, a simple pointer. Who is the owner for argument 1, argument 2, argument 3?
Function 1.
Function 1. Who is the owner for the argument 1?
Function 2.
Who is the owner for this argument 1?
Function
Function
3.
Function
3.
3.
Owner for this argument 1?
Function 4.
Function 4 here. Yes or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
how to execute function 2? I want to execute it.
Argument
How can I
1.
execute?
Argument 1 of.
Argument 1 of.
Argument 1
One
of here itself. What you wanted to
Hello.
supply?
Hello.
Hello 1.
Supply
Guys,
the
this hello 1 stored into where?
Function 2.
to argument
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Now say this one. Just to place the
Return.
return statement, guys. Return argument 1. So it will be stored into where?
Function
Argument
2,
one.
argument
Argument
1.
one.
Argument
Function to
one.
argument one.
Next one. See this one here. And here's something here. No need to place this one, but I'm placing something here. Guys, say this one. How to execute function 3?
Argument two
Argument
of.
How to
Argument.
execute function 3? We need to
Argument
execute
two
function.
of.
How can I execute here? We need to
Argument
execute.
two of.
How can I execute here? Argument 2.
Of.
Argument 2 of. Here itself, we need to pass the hello to. Guys, this hello to stored into where?
Function
three,
3 argument
argument
1.
Function
Argument
3,
one.
argument 1.
Argument 1. Next one, guys, say this one here. Here itself, argument 3. Argument 3 of. Argument 3 of what we
Hello
want to
3.
place?
3.
We need to place the hello 3. Argument 3 of. Argument 3 of simply we need to pass the. Argument 3 of simply we need to pass the hello 3. Guys, hello 1 stored into.
Argument
2,
1.
argument
Function
1.
2 argument 1.
Hello 2 stored into.
Function 3,
Function 3,
argument
argument
Hello
1.
3 stored into.
Function 4,
Function
argument
4,
argument
argument
1.
1.
Can I print it here?
Yes, sir.
Console dot. Console
Console
Log
dot
of.
log
log
of.
of argument 1.
Argument 1.
Can I print this one?
Yes.
Can I print this one? Console dot.
Console dot
Console dot log of argument 1.
Can I print it here?
Yes.
Can I print it here? How to print it here? Console dot
Console dot
log of.
Log of
Console
argument.
dot log of argument 1. Here itself we need to pass the console dot log of argument 1 here. Console dot log of argument 1 we need to pass here. Fine. Yes, guys, can I execute this code?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Try to execute this code. Now we will get the answer here. Which answer we are getting here? Hello 1, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3.
Hello 3.
Now we are getting the answer. The answer is the hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Now we will get the answer. The answer is the hello 1. Next one is the hello 2. Next one is the hello 1. Next one is the hello 2. Hello 1. Next one is the hello 2. Next one is the what we are getting. We are getting the hello 3 also. Hello 1 we are getting. Next one is the hello 2 we are getting. Next one is the hello 3 we are getting here. Both the things three things we are getting now. Hello 1. Next one is the hello 2. Next one is the hello 3. Three things we are getting now. Yes. Guys, can I go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes,
are you feeling comfortable regarding this example?
Yes, sir. Why not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I,
Shravan.
You're calling
Sir.
console.log argument 1.
Hmm.
Then
Line number?
it looks 50, 52, and 54.
Hmm.
Uh,
Line number 50 is argument 1. Hello 1.
Yes.
Line number 52 is hello 2. Line number 54 is hello 3.
Okay.
Are you getting the clarity now? Okay, na? Or can I repeat once again?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, na? But do the practice here. If not getting it, just ping to my WhatsApp number now. Then I will help you once again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Now, can I go for the Purnima? Can I go for the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So this from Shravan.
Sir.
What's Shravan? Early morning watching movies, na Shravan.
watching
Say this one. Yeah. Function. Function. Function 1. Guys, can I increase the complexity or can I stop this complexity?
No, sir. Increasing.
Guys, can you understand? Yes, sir. Function 1, argument 1. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. Guys, is argument 1 is predefined?
No.
Is it
No,
given
sir,
by the
user
Ashok
defined.
IT? Is it given by the some X
No.
company, Y company?
No.
We can
No.
place anything.
User
Na?
defined.
We can place
User
anything. I say
defined.
this one. We can place anything here. For example, if you wanted to place some XYZ, can I place the XYZ?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, can I place the function 2?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anything here, anything.
Yes.
Anything we can
Anything.
pass,
User
anything not an issue. Anything we can pass, not an issue here. Okay, na? Guys, how to create function 2? How to create a function 2?
Function 2.
Function 2 here. Guys, clearly, this one what do you call?
I remember.
Function 2 definition, no?
Definition.
That's a part I'm saying here.
Argument.
Argument. Argument to
This is
which
argument.
function?
Yes.
Function
Function 1. Guys, up to previous what I'm placing here?
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Not
Argument.
argument 1. I wanted to now. Not argument 1. I wanted to place some XYZ. Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Not only XYZ here, can I place the ABC?
Yes.
Yes.
Not only ABC here, can I pass the function 1? Yes.
Yes.
Variable
Yes.
name na.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
User
This is
defined
a variable
variable.
one type of.
User defined variable. User defined variable. Yes. Guys, say this one here. This one what do you call? Function 1 definition.
Definition.
How many arguments it contain?
One.
One argument.
What
One.
is that argument name? Function
Function 2.
2. That's it. Function
Yeah.
2. Function 2. Guys, this is the function 3 now.
Function 2.
Yes or not?
Function.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
function 3.
How many arguments are available?
One
One
argument.
argument.
One.
Guys, okay na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What okay here? Out of 30 members, only 5
Okay,
members.
sir.
What Shravan? What's Shravan? Fun. Function
Function.
function 1. Function 1. Guys, argument 1. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now happier. You people are very happy. Fine. Guys, this is the problem here. The problem is the once if you
Yes,
go for
sir.
the real-time applications, care argument 1, if you are now these things won't be there. This is related to our classes only. Once if you go for the real-time, you need to get appropriate names. Giving the name by seeing the
Okay.
appropriate names also, they will decide whether you have working experience or not. Remember that one. Fine.
Yes,
Guys,
yes.
next one. Can I create the function 2?
Yes, sir.
Can I create the function 2? Yes, let me create the function 2. Guys, can I pass the argument 2 here? Yes.
Yes.
Guys, can I create the function 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Function 3. Function 3. Say this one can I pass the argument 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, I
Yes, sir.
think don't follow this standard. So this is standard. What are the examples I'm saying? These are not the good examples. These examples you may understand. Once if you go for the real time, these standards are not correct. Fine, guys. What is the one for the argument 1?
Function 1.
Function 1. What is the argument for the argument 2?
Function
Function
2.
2.
Function 2. What is the argument for the function 3?
Argument 3.
What is the argument for the function 3? Argument 3.
Argument
Guys,
3.
I'm requesting you call the function 1.
Yes.
Function
Function
1.
1.
Call the function 1. But while calling the function 1, we need to supply what?
One argument.
Argument 1 also.
One argument. What is that argument? What
Function
is
one.
that argument?
Function 2
Function
definition.
Function 2.
What is that
Definition.
argument? That argument is the
Function 2
say
Argument
this
definition.
one
one.
can. Yeah, what is argument 2? Argument 1 is the function 2
Function 2.
Definition.
definition. So this definition stored into argument 1 na?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Guys, is it a definition?
Yes.
Yes,
Is a
sir.
definition stored into where?
Argument 1.
Argument 1. Execute it. Execute it. How can you execute?
Return argument 1 of
Argument 1 of.
Value.
Argument 1 of. Which function you are executing?
Argument
function 2.
Guys, which function you are executing?
Function 2.
Function 2. We are executing function 2. But see the problem. To execute function 2, it is expecting what?
Argument 2.
Argument 2. So can I pass argument 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is that argument? Function 3.
Function 3.
Function 3.
Okay, na? Function 3
Yes,
definition.
Definition
Yes,
stored
sir.
into argument 2.
Function 3 definition stored into where?
Argument 2.
Argument 2. Can I execute function 3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How can I execute? Return
Return
argument 2
Argument 2
of hello.
Good morning.
hello.
Guys, this hello will be stored into where?
Argument 3.
Argument 3. Can I execute argument 3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Console
Console
log
dot
of
log of
argument 3.
argument 3.
Argument 3.
Getting the links, some links you are getting now.
Yes,
Yes.
some links here.
Guys, say this one can. Sandeep, how many functions we have?
3 functions.
Function 1,
Function
Function 2.
function 1, function 2. Next
function
one is the function 3. Function 1, next one is the function 2, next one is the function 3. 3 functions we have. Sandeep, I'm asking you execute function 1.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you execute function 1. How can you execute function
Function
1
1
of? We need to execute the function 1. How can I execute again? Function 1 of. Function 1 of. But Sandeep,
Yes.
to execute function 1, what you want to supply?
Argument 2.
Compulsory you need to supply. Say this one here. Function 2. So can you explain up to now?
Yes, sir.
Function 2 definition stored into.
Argument
Argument
1.
Argument 1.
That's it. Argument 1. Function 2 definition stored into argument 1.
Argument 1.
Sandeep, execute the function 2. How can you execute
sir.
function 2? How can you execute?
Argument 1 of.
Return argument
Argument
1
1
of. Sandeep, but
Yes.
to execute function 2, one problem is there. What is the problem?
Argument, you need to pass argument.
Exactly. You need to pass it.
Yes, sir.
How can you pass function 3?
Function 3.
Function 3.
Okay, na? So
Yes.
see this one here. So internally what happened here? Can you tell me internally what happened here now? Guys, all the people here, all the people.
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is not the problem of our explanation here. This is the problem of the concept. You should understand that concept clearly. If you think a little bit broad, then you can get this kind of link. Fine. Guys, function 2, Shravan, function 2 definition stored into.
Argument 1.
Argument 1.
Okay, na? Next one.
Yes.
Yes.
Function 3. This is the function 3, guys. Am I right or not?
Argument 2.
Yes, sir. Function 3 definition stored into
Function 2,
Argument
argument 2.
2.
argument 2. That's it here.
Yeah.
Argument 2.
Yes.
Fine.
Argument 2.
Execute function 3. I'm asking
Yes, sir.
you execute function 3. How can you execute? How
Argument
can you
2.
execute?
Return.
Argument 2.
Argument 2 of
Of here itself we need to pass the
function.
hello. Hello stored into where?
Argument 3.
Argument
Argument 3.
Yeah. Can I print the argument 3?
Yes.
console
dot
So
log
log of
Argument 3.
Argument 3.
argument 3. Now we will get the answer. The answer is the what is the answer we are getting? Answer is the
Hello.
hello. Answer is the hello. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, can I go for the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me go for the one more example. Here itself, we need to go for another example. Let me go for the one more example. Guys, can I take the script tag here?
Yes, sir.
All the people, can I take the script tag here? Yes. We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to take the script tag. Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the what you wanted to take. Here itself, we need to take the script tag. What are the script tag we have? That script tag we need to take. Guys, just to take one function. Function, which function? Calculator function. Function, which function? Calculator function. Any function na we can take any function.
Any function.
Function calculator. Guys, argument 1 comma argument 2
Argument
sir,
two.
not argument 1 comma argument 2 num comma say this one here num comma say this one here add num comma what num
Add.
comma add. Guys, not argument 1 comma argument 2. No.
Yes, sir.
Num comma add we can pass or not?
Yes.
Num
Yes,
comma
sir.
add we can pass. Next one, guys, say this one can I call the calci function?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
But
sir.
how many
Calcium.
arguments you want
Two
to supply?
argument.
Two arguments.
You need to supply the 2 arguments. But say this one function addition. Here itself we have another function. The function is the addition function. Guys, see this one here itself add result comma error. Fun later you can see this one guys, count it again. Totally how many functions we have?
Two functions.
Two functions.
Totally how many functions we have? 2
Two
functions.
functions.
What is the name of first function? Calci function. What is the name of another function?
Addition function.
How many arguments for the calci function?
2.
arguments.
So argument 1 comma argument 2. How many arguments for the addition function?
2 arguments.
2
Arguments. Guys, respond here. Please call the calci function. Call it.
Yes.
Sandeep, call it here.
Calci.
Calci.
Calci of
Sandeep, to call calci function, how many arguments you wanted to supply?
2 argument. 2 argument.
Argument 1 is
5.
5 stored into
Number.
num 5 stored into num.
Num.
Guys, see this one another thing. Addition. What is addition?
Addition function.
Argument 2.
Function definition. Function to
Yes.
definition stored into
Add.
Add.
add. Function to definition stored into add.
Yeah.
Shravan, see this one internal. What happens, Shravan? Praveen. 5 stored into Praveen.
Num.
Stored into num.
Num.
5 stored into num. Guys, addition function. Guys,
Stored
addition
into add.
Stored
function.
into
Addition
add.
function stored into
Add.
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 Guys, addition function. What are the addition function we have here? Addition function stored into add.
Add.
Yes or not? Sandeep, call the addition function.
Yes.
Call the
Return.
addition function.
Yeah.
How can you call? How
Yeah,
can you call?
Return.
off.
Add off.
Add off.
But Sandeep,
Add
the
off.
problem is there. To
Yes.
call the addition function, how many arguments you wanted to supply?
2 arguments.
Arguments. First argument is the 10. How to pass the 10? How to pass the 10?
Plus
Num.
Num plus
Number
5.
plus five.
What is the num?
5.
Num
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5 10.
10. 10 stored into
Add region.
10 add result. Guys, next one.
Add
Second one is
result.
the false. False stored into
Error.
Error.
Guys, see this one here. What is the num plus 5?
10.
10.
Num plus 5 is the 10.
10.
10 stored into where?
Add result.
Add
Add
result. False stored into where?
Error.
Error.
Error. False stored into error itself. Guys, can I create the calculator function?
Yes.
Function. Which function? Calci
Calci.
function. Function calci function. Guys, see this one here. Function here itself calci function here. Here itself num comma. Num
Add.
comma. What you
Add.
wanted to place here? Num comma, and here itself we need to place the
Add
add.
result.
Num comma.
Add.
See this
Add.
one here. Num comma add or something we need to pass. Guys, can I create the addition function?
Yes.
Can I create the addition
Function
function?
addition.
Why not?
Yes.
Function, which function?
Addition.
Function, which function? The function is the which function we need to pass? Addition function we need to pass. Guys, for the addition function, here itself we need to pass the add result comma, add
Error.
result comma, error.
Error.
Randomly I'm passing here. I don't think too much here. I'm passing the randomly. Praveen, what is the name of the first function? Calci function. Yeah. Praveen, what is the name of another function?
Addition.
Praveen, call the calci function. Call it calci function.
Calcium.
But Praveen,
Calci of
to call calci function, how many arguments you need to supply?
two arguments.
Arguments. Say this one here. 5. This 5 stored into
Num.
num. Guys, the second one. Second one is the addition. So internally what happened? Do you know internally what happened? 5 stored into
5 stored into num.
5 stored into once again. Fine. Whatever the 5 is there, that 5 stored into num. Guys, is it the addition function definition?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or not? This is the addition function definition.
Yes, sir.
This addition function definition stored into
add.
where?
Add.
What is the num, guys? Will you people tell what is the num?
5.
Num is the 5
Five.
num.
Yes.
Num is the 5. So this one here, num is the 5. Next one. Addition function
Stored into
function
add.
definition stored into add.
Add.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Guys, Praveen, execute the addition function. How to execute?
Return.
Return add off. Which function you are executing this function?
Addition.
But to execute this function, how many arguments you need to supply?
Two arguments.
Two arguments.
argument.
What is the first argument? Num plus 5.
Num.
Num plus 5. What is the num plus 5?
10.
10.
Num plus 5 is the 10. Guys, next one. Another thing is the false. Guys, can I write the arrow symbols? Okay? Fine.
Yes.
5 stored into
Num.
Guys, 5 stored into num. This function, guys, 5 stored into once again. Here itself we have the 5. 5 stored into num. 5 stored into num. Guys, next one. Is it the addition function?
Yes.
This addition function definition stored into
Add.
this addition function definition stored into add itself. This addition function definition stored into add itself here. Yes or not? And
Yes.
one more point. One more point is the guys 10 stored into this is the 10 na?
Yes.
Add result.
10 stored into
Add result.
add result. Guys, false stored into
Error.
error. That's it. 10 stored into add result, false stored into error. Guys, and now see this one. Now you people need to see this one. Guys, will you watch the video immediately today class video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Never ignore, guys. If you ignore, you can't understand anything.
So these all the callback, no?
Callbacks, everything related to
Callback
callbacks.
concept.
Fun. Yeah. Sandeep, add result contain what?
10.
10.
Add result contain what? 10 na? Error contain what?
False.
So if of false, I think it's a false or not?
Yes.
Yes or not? This is the false. If of false. If of false, console dot log of what you wanted to place add result. Console dot log of what? Console dot log of add result. Fine, guys. Just to refresh it here, we need to refresh. Once if you refresh here, yes, what is the output we are getting?
10.
What is the output we are getting? 10 na?
10.
Guys, okay na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, can I continue, guys? Can I continue? Can I stop this one? Respond.
No, sir.
Shravan, tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
Guys, are you feeling comfortable regarding this flow?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you are okay,
No problem,
can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can I continue, guys?
Sir,
Let me
this
continue.
80 line if you're
Line number
80.
nothing. Here itself, no need to do place like this. Okay? Error equal to false. That is also right. Error is the false or not?
Yes, sir.
If error is false, print the 10. Otherwise, you don't print the 10.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, sir. But I am writing the shortcut code here. What is the shortcut code?
Ah,
This is the
sir.
shortcut code.
Okay.
Above code, this below code is correct. Guys, next one. Can I enhance this application?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, see this one here. Function, subtraction function. Function, which
Okay.
function? Function,
Subtraction.
subtraction function. Guys, here itself, num comma, next one is the num comma. Assume this one here, num comma, here itself, we need to pass the multiplication.
Okay.
Num comma multiplication. Guys, what is the another function you created?
Subtraction.
Subtraction taking how many arguments?
Two
Arguments.
arguments.
Two arguments. Argument 1 comma argument 2.
Argument two.
Fine. Guys, I'm asking you, please execute a subtraction function. How to
Yes.
execute a subtraction function? Can I execute it here?
Subtraction.
Say this one
Yes.
here. Subtraction of.
Done.
But to execute a subtraction, how many parameters
Two
you
are-
wanted to supply?
Two parameters.
Parameters.
Two
Guys,
parameter.
say this one here. Add a result. Add a result contain what?
10.
10.
10.
Add
10.
result contain what?
10.
10.
10.
That 10 stored into where?
Num.
Num. Guys, see this one here. Another argument. Another argument is the, see this one here. We need to pass the subtraction. Guys, add result contain what?
10.
10. That 10 stored into where?
Num.
Subtraction.
Num. Guys, is it a subtraction function?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Guys, is it a subtraction function? Yes.
Yes.
Guys, once again, subtraction function. Guys, see this one here. Instead of this one, function, which function? Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Function multiplication. Let me arrange it here later. Once again, I will explain. Multiplication result, comma, error. Multiplication result, comma, error here. Fine. Now observe this one here. Guys, call the subtraction function. Call it.
Yes.
How can you call subtraction of?
Fraction of.
Subtraction of.
What you wanted to supply? Add result,
Add
comma.
result.
Add
Comma.
result, comma. Next one is
False.
the
False.
add result, comma, false na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, don't pass the false na? Never pass the false.
Sir, num comma address.
Exception.
Not exception.
Take div.
Leave it again. Links, number of links we can place, not one link. Console.log of what we need to print addition result. Fine. Guys, so now say this one here, then we link it here. After getting the proper flow, then we will link it here. Guys, this 5 stored into clearly. This 5 stored into
Num.
Num.
num. Listen. This function stored into
Add result.
function.
Result.
This this function stored into
Add.
add. Guys, this 10 stored into
Add result. Add result.
guys, this false stored into
Error.
Error.
error. Then add result contain what?
10.
10.
Then
Guys, I'm linking only one function. Which function we link it to the addition function?
addition.
Guys,
Yes.
then we need to link subtraction function, multiplication function, division function. I think we need to prepare one chain.
Yes.
I think a complete chain here. Function 1 to function 2, function 2 to function 3. Some chain we need to create. Then we will try that example. Can I enhance it again?
Yes.
No, yeah,
Yes.
no.
Yes, sir.
Don't enhance this one again. Can you please practice up to this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, please practice up to totally 5 examples are there now.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Guys, sir. Tomorrow, can I repeat the same class once again? Same topic?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir. I will repeat the same topic once again here. Fine. Guys, so final question here. Are these examples easy or difficult?
Interesting.
Literally, guys. I think I'm asking that just a psychological way. Are these
Too easy,
examples
sir.
feeling good here?
Some.
No.
Yes,
At
sir.
first
Difficult.
No, yeah.
difficult, but
No, yeah. No, say this one here. No, these examples are not easy because
Just you
creating
call
the
in various function, na, purpose.
Creating some links, sir.
yes,
creating the some confusion now.
yes,
It's,
Yes.
guys,
linking
Functions
confusion.
calling within
getting
function.
guys getting that confusion technically we can call callback hell. I think
Yes.
not only to you, myself also getting the little bit confusion now.
Callback
Is
hell.
there
Say this one here.
concept
What
is
is
there?
this nonsense
Callback
here? What
hell.
is this nonsense? When say this one here. Are okay. We have very small brain to understand one thing.
Yes.
Only we are breaking our head. Are guys say this one. The data passing from down to top, top to down, getting the
Yes.
little bit hell kind of thing. Na?
Yes.
Yes, guys. What is that hell name?
Callback.
Callback hell. Guys, what are the confusion we are feeling now? Yes, we are feeling like a little bit confusion. That confusion name technically we can call callback hell.
Yes.
Okay, na? Is
Yes.
it recommended to implement callback hell in real-time applications?
No.
No,
No.
never write this code in the real-time applications. Never write here. Okay, na? So we need to avoid this topic while working with the real-time applications. We need to avoid this concept. Fine.
Yes.
To avoid this concept, they introduced one more concept. The concept we can call promises concept. The concept what they call promises concept. Guys,
Yes, yes.
whatever the class told by me up to now, don't apply this topic into real time. Like after joining in the company, don't write this code into real time. The reason is
Because
the
it decrease readability.
exactly it decrease the readability
Yes.
here. Now, Shankar, you are saying, sir, we are understanding. No, Shankar, only you and Sauro, Kausal, these people, because you are working in the companies, you know, out of 24 members, only 5 to 6 members got it. The remaining 15 members are bounced. They're dancing like anything. Yeah, fun. So I think these kind of confusion we can call back hell. Callback
Yes.
hell. Don't write this kind of confusion code while working with the projects. We need to avoid this kind of confusion code. Fine. To avoid this kind of confusion code, we have one new concept is there. That a new concept we can call promises concept. Which
Yes.
concept we have?
Promises.
That concept we can call promises concept. Okay, na? Fine. What is the alternative for the callback hell?
Promises.
Promises is the alternative for the callback hell. Guys, you may get at the end you are getting the 1 point, sir, at the beginning 6 o'clock you need to tell, sir, this topic won't use in the real time. You may tell, you may ask me. No, guys, if you go for the interview here, this concept is the compulsory concept. Just to go for one interview panel, without this example they won't ask, they won't close the interview, guys.
Yes,
Without
sir.
callbacks they won't close the interview. Compulsory question: what is callback? What is callback? What is callback? What is callback? What is callback hell? What is the remedy for the callback hell? What is the remedy for the callback hell? Compulsory question here. Promises. I think around 5 to 6 questions are available into these discussions. These questions are the compulsory questions in the interview panels. So because of that reason, we are discussing this concept. Fine. Don't worry, guys. In the tomorrow session also, I will repeat the same example. Guys, no here. Tomorrow I conducted the one workshop on the JSON, guys. So JSON also part of our syllabus now. Can I take the JSON? JSON. Guys, do you have the energy? Because see this one can morning 6 to 7 tomorrow morning here. Tomorrow 6 to 7 I will explain this concept once again. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
9 o'clock onwards, 9 o'clock onwards I will take the JSON server. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Attend here.
Yes, sir.
So morning here, tomorrow morning as usual classes 6 to 7 as usual classes there. So tomorrow
So, we should complete the registration now for this workshop, free workshop.
Free, no need to, because already you paid members, no need to go for that one. So after completing the callbacks in the early morning session, then 9 o'clock onwards I need to go for the JSON server concept. Okay, interesting.
Okay,
Then, sir, how to get the link, sir?
I will share that link here. I think just check the I think Ashokati website. Just check the WhatsApp status na. In the Ashokati website also they sent the link, a new link. There is a new link here. Okay, na? So can I take the class tomorrow morning at 6 here, or can I take directly at 9 o'clock?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock na, can I take that 6 o'clock na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This example
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
repeated.
Yeah, 6 o'clock I will discuss here once again. 9 o'clock
Yes.
also will take care. So
Yes,
9
sir.
to 9 to up to the some evening, I think not evening here, sometime. How much energy we have here? Every 1 hour here, every 1 hour will be the breaker. Don't worry here. Fine. Shravan, prepare. Okay, na? Shravan, fine. How to commit the code, guys? Git
Git
add
add
dot.
dot.
How to commit it
Okay,
here?
sir.
Git commit hyphen m callbacks.
Callback.
How to push it? Git
Git push.
okay, na? Fine. Thank you guys. Bye.
So today 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
class
class is
will be
there, na? I will close the batch here. There's one of the
today.
I think
topic.
yeah, I think only one